Anthem for Maria, Raise Yourself. This is their first album released in year 2019. Well, let's start. The front cover. Yeah. Saan kaya nag-drawing nito? Napakaganda. Ayos. Oh yeah. Good. Inlay part. Yan. Okay. Yep. Ito na siya. Wala siyang booklet. So, walang lyrics. Wala ring acknowledgement. Yes. Ayan. Okay. Mamay pa nyo. Ayan. Ano bang tao nito isa? So, dapat ayun. Dead Meat PH. Deep Free Society. MG. Ayan. Mga gumawa. So, 10 songs. Ay. Okay. Here we go. CD. Yeah. Oops. Ayan. Ito siya. CDR. Not factory press. Okay lang yan. At least nag-release sila. Yan. Makikita nyo. Okay. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. Put it back. Put it back. Yeah. Okay, the social media. Okay. Click follow and like them on Facebook page. Yup. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. Follow them on Instagram. And follow them on Spotify. Okay, that's it for tonight. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe, everyone.